Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to use a gift card on Roblox. So let's get into the video. So firstly go to roblox.com. so open up your website. So once on your website here, so now log into your account. So if you have an account, just log into your account, hit on the login button and plug in your credentials. So once you're here on the home page here, so if you want to use your gift card for any transactions or purchase, so for example here let me purchase some Roblox probably, so I can show you the payment details. So let me buy some Roblox. So I'm going to choose just some Roblox here so that I can go to the payment section here. So now when you get to this payment section here, so what you're going to do, if you want to use your gift card, so if you have your Roblox gift card, so you can simply redeem it here. So click on redeem Roblox card, just click that in, and then all you have to do is simply type in the card details and then hit on redeem, and just check this box, hit on redeem and hit on submit order. As long as you have sufficient funds, then you will be able to use this card to make this purchase. So that's how you can use your gift card on Roblox. It's pretty easy. Hope this video was helpful.